I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting posture and locating your home row. This is the foundation. Sit with feet flat and monitor at eye level so your neck stays relaxed. Place your index fingers on F and J and let the rest naturally fall on a S, D, and KL. Start with slow, deliberate presses and focus on feel rather than speed. Once comfortable, introduce short 30-60 second drills to reinforce muscle memory, because consistency builds automaticity. Continue by structuring practice to push both accuracy and speed. You do targeted drills for 10-15 minutes, alternating letters and common bigrams like th, on, then add numbers and punctuation. Use chunking, type words in 2 to 4 letter groups, because your brain learns sequences more reliably than isolated keys. Make sure to measure accuracy and only raise tempo when you sustain 92 to 98% correct. Once done, add mixed text typing to generalize skills to real tasks. To complete the process, integrate typing into everyday work. Compose emails, code snippets, or notes for 20 to 40 minutes daily so skills carry over. Monitor progress with WPM and accuracy logs, and adapt drills to target persistent weak keys. If errors persist, slow down and do targeted repetitions on those specific letters, and make sure your keyboard layout and physical setup haven't changed. If problems continue, swap keyboards briefly to rule out hardware issues. This single check often reveals the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.